Hey, I'm Ethan. So, I have an original trick for you. It's called the Arm Smasher. Looks like this. So, the Arm Smasher is comprised of 5 tricks. It's comprised of rolling inverted GT, an inverted GT, a 1.5 mount, a double or nothing, and last but not least, Buddha's Revenge. This is the Arm Smasher again. Looks like this.